When you're wearing your home kit, it's actually the perfect system to support the transdermal delivery of every skincare product that you currently have in your skin rotation. So, serums with peptides and active ingredients perform better when your skin is energetically charged and able to transport what you apply topically down into the subdermal layers. So that's a natural process, and that's the kinetic mobility of skin and the cellular biomechanics, and that is exactly what your home kit is doing. In addition to supporting everything you apply on your skin to get it to where it needs to be to have greatest effect, the home kit is also working to bring all of your subdermal compounds up towards the surface, and that is going to help skin crepe, dehydration, dermal secretions to normalize dermal secretion behavior to reduce breakouts, congestion, and also brighten your skin tone and complexion for really healthy skin.